You're tired of looking in the mirror and seeing a face that doesn't reflect your true potential. You know you're not where you should be. Maybe your jawline's weak, your eyes don't pop, or your whole aesthetic just doesn't stand out. What if I told you it's possible to build a perfect face in just 1 month? In this video, I'm going to break down 6 simple steps to completely transform your appearance. Without surgery, without expensive treatments. These are the techniques used by top-level looks-maxing experts, and I'm going to reveal them to you. Let's dive in. If your jawline is weak, you're already starting behind the pack. A poorly defined jawline screams low status. It makes you look older, tired, and less confident. A weak jawline raises cortisol levels, making you look more stressed out, which is not the look you want. Here's the game changer. Start mewing consistently. For those of you who don't know, mewing is the practice of maintaining correct tongue posture. Press the entire tongue against the roof of your mouth. This creates facial symmetry and, over time, can help redefine that jawline. Don't believe me? Check out before and after images from people who've been mewing for 30 days. It's a long-term play, but you'll see immediate results if you stay consistent. By the way, forget the gimmicks like jawline exercises with little rubber tools. They don't do nearly as much as mewing. If you want to really change your face, focus on tongue posture. If your eyes don't pop, you won't stand out. It's simple. Weak, unexpressive eyes signal a lack of confidence and dominance. This is especially true for men. Hunter eyes are a symbol of power, focus, and attraction. If your eyes look dull or tired, you're losing out on a major advantage. You need to open your eyes more naturally. Start by practicing eye exercises that focus on lifting the brow and improving focus, like gently pushing your eyebrows up and holding them for a few seconds. Also, look at your eye area. Dark circles or puffiness? Hydrate and get your sleep right. Aim for 7 to 8 hours a night. Uneven skin texture, acne, or other imperfections can ruin an otherwise perfect face. These visible flaws make you look unhealthy, insecure, and underdeveloped. Nobody wants to get close to someone whose skin looks like it's been through a war zone. Step up your skincare routine. Start with a gentle exfoliator twice a week to get rid of dead skin. Add a salicylic acid treatment to combat acne, and always finish with a high-quality moisturizer. This isn't just vanity. Clear skin increases your perceived health and aesthetic appeal. Pro tip: don't fall for the one-size-fits-all skincare products. Tailor your routine to your skin type. If you want clearer skin in a month, consistency is key. Without defined cheekbones, you'll always appear soft, round, or even chubby. This doesn't scream power or dominance. It screams low testosterone. Low cheekbones can make you look like you haven't fully matured, while high cheekbones make you look sharp, chiseled, and youthful. Target your cheekbone area with facial exercises or buccal fat removal if you're really committed. But a simpler and quicker solution is to use makeup or highlighter to create the illusion of higher cheekbones. The right contour can make your face look significantly more defined in a matter of seconds. Also, don't overlook your posture. Stand tall and always lift your face slightly to avoid sagging skin. This will accentuate your cheekbones naturally. If your hair's a mess, nothing else will matter. Bad haircuts or greasy hair can kill your overall aesthetic. A poorly styled or thinning hairline makes you look unkempt and aging, and that's a no-go. Get a good, tailored haircut that fits your face shape. Short sides, longer top is a universal option that flatters almost everyone. Use quality hair products that give you volume and texture. If your hair's thinning, try incorporating a derma roller to stimulate growth. I've linked the best one in the description. And don't sleep on regular trims. Keeping your hair fresh is a game changer. No matter how perfect your face looks, if you lack confidence, none of it matters. Confidence is the most attractive trait. The way you carry yourself will either make or break your transformation. Weak body language, slouching, and avoiding eye contact can make even a godlike face look average. Simple fix. Start training your mindset daily. Practice positive affirmations and get into the habit of standing tall and walking with purpose. Your energy will attract people, and suddenly, that perfect face of yours will be a magnet. Remember, looks are amplified by how you present yourself. And yes, you're on a journey. Genetics might play a part, but effort and mindset will take you the rest of the way. The mental game is half the battle. There you have it. 6 powerful steps to build the perfect face in 1 month. The real secret? It's about consistency. It's not about overnight results. It's about the long-term transformation. So, get started today and own your aesthetic journey. And remember, building the perfect face starts with building the perfect mindset. If you're serious about leveling up your looks, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more exclusive tips. Check the description for links to all the products I mentioned. Start today, take control of your face, and become the best version of yourself.